Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to pay with cash on Uber Eats in 2025. Whether you're trying to avoid digital payments, manage your budget more easily, or just prefer good old cash, this guide has got you covered. With updates in 2025 making the process even smoother, you'll be ordering your favorite meals hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure cash payment is available in your area. Uber Eats has expanded this option globally, but it might depend on your location. Open the Uber Eats app on your phone and log in to your account. If you're new, download it from your app store and sign up quickly, it's free. Once you're in, browse for your favorite restaurants or search for what you crave. Add items to your cart just like you normally would. When you're ready to check out, head to the payment section. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the payment options drop-down. In 2025, Uber Eats has made it easier with a prominent Cash on Delivery button. Select that option, and you'll see a confirmation that your driver will collect payment upon delivery. Double-check your order details, including the delivery address and any instructions. Place your order, and voila! You'll get a notification when your driver is on the way. When they arrive, hand over the exact amount in cash. Don't forget to include any tips to show appreciation. Uber Eats now allows you to add a tip via the app beforehand if you want. One quick tip. Always have the exact change ready to speed things up for your driver. If cash isn't showing as an option, it might be due to your location or account settings, so check the Uber Eats help section or update your app to the latest 2025 version. This feature is great for folks without bank cards or those wanting to limit online transactions for security. There you have it. Paying with cash on Uber Eats is straightforward and secure. Give it a try on your next order and enjoy that meal without the digital fuss. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.